Yet, to prevent herself from straying from her purpose, she sealed her emotions away, using her ultimate abilities, King of Jealousy, Leviathan, and King of Patience, Gabriel, to encase her heart in an eternal blizzard. Now, as their long-awaited battle truly began, Belzer felt euphoric. This was what she had longed for, to fight Guy at full strength and prove herself as the strongest. Deep down, she sought his recognition, though she refused to acknowledge why. Any doubts were buried beneath her frozen will, hidden behind a cold smile, while within her, an endless blizzard raged.